Hi everybody, it's Tom from FindTheBestCarPrice.com. Today we're in the 2022/2023 GMC Sierra 1500. This is the Denali trim level we're driving. Not that that really matters here, but here is your road test noise or road noise test for this truck. Now you might notice that there's a little bit of noise that's coming from over here with, I believe, the lid for the upper console, or the upper glove box, I should say. Just so you know, if you hear that, that's what that is. So basically what we've done is just given you a couple of different options here for what you can listen to on rough pavement and smooth pavement, and just even driving over the railroad tracks. Yeah, you get a little bit of wind noise, a little bit of road noise, but it's really not bad. It's actually fairly quiet in here, and keep in mind that the fan speed is down. There's no one for me to talk to. The radio isn't on, so you're going to hear more things than you likely would otherwise. To learn more about the model in today's video, visit the link in the description for a detailed comparison between trims and pricing for the vehicle we featured or any vehicle you may be interested in. These pages feature information such as our recommended trim level based on price, value, and features. Thank you for taking the time to watch today's video. We look forward to seeing you next time.